Well, yeah.
Find this side.
Really?
Looked everywhere for it. I can only find this side.
I can only find the driver's side for mine. I can't find the passenger sides.
It's like this doesn't fit, even though it fits. You know what I mean?
Do what?
It's like this doesn't fit, even though it fits. Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. It's like it doesn't go in all the way, even though I can feel it go in all the way. Oh, I guess it didn't round it pretty good.
The last one?
Yeah. 5 screws.
And snap in half.
Oh, no. Oh, nope. Sorry, 6 screws. Forgot about the one in the middle. It's a good thing I didn't try and pry it. Remember, guys, if there's too much resistance, look for another screw.
Let's watch Matt Armstrong take off the Bugatti door panels.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's like, there has to be another screw hiding somewhere.
It's like that. Oh, there's barely room in there.
You know, just throw you one. I'd just throw one right there.
Could get that lens off and fix it. That lens pops out.
It's up to you.
Double screw.
I keep holding the camera wrong. I'll get used to this eventually. I mean, we've only been doing this YouTube stuff for what, 5 years now?
Oh, watch where you put your feet in.
Yeah, I know.
I don't like these. I don't like this kid. Can't read the. Can't read what the fuck it is. Oh yeah. That right there is $135 brand new. Or $320 brand new. And I straight broke it.
Yep. How bad is it?
Factory markers, 40 years ago.
Yeah.
How broken is it? Really not that bad. Honestly, I could probably just leave it.
Here.
Made in Canada. It's not even American.
Your plug-in's over here, so you have to work over here. Oh. Those are the ones you want to use.
There's no room here anywhere.
I know.
Why is that tight?
I have no idea.
And it,
As soon as you put that in there, and you squeeze that trigger, then it starts to heat.
okay.
So I'd take it, I'd put it on there, then I'd squeeze it.
I want to make sure I know where I'm going.
Yep.
See if I can. Might have to hold it up, kind of squeeze it together.
I want to do it the other way,
Why?
this way. That way you can see it, and it's.
So hold it on there, then press it, then.
Yeah, press it, heat it up, and you'll feel it sink right on in there. Don't put too much pressure because it'll go through it. No, it didn't even do anything. Just put it back on there. Leave it on there until you'll feel it go in. Still got the trigger down?
No,
Trigger down.
I don't want to go through it. I'm scared.
Alright, pull it straight off. Just pull it straight up. Yep, you weren't all the way in there.
Oh, I'm scared, man.
That's pretty thick compared to the Eldo.
Should I let it cool?
There you go. Can you see the crack in the front still?
Yeah, I did push it a little bit too.
Let me see.
It's not bad.
Eh.
I mean, it is what it is.
It ain't gonna pop off.
Oh, it wasn't gonna pop off regardless. I just figured doing this would give it a little bit of.
Yeah, a little bit of more strength.
I wanted to get in there, but it's way too. Yeah, I got that step. I don't want to do that.
Yeah. It ain't gonna go nowhere now.
I don't think it was gonna go anywhere.
You said to find the snips and
I don't know what's this.
you got some close?
Yeah.
Look, his car's got a black eye, guys.
Well, it's better than having no face at all.
Yeah. The fucking deer done a lot of damage. It pushed the core support back like not even a quarter of an inch. It fucked the hood up. Well, it didn't fuck the hood up. It fucked up the latch where you can't open it.
It did a number on it. Tell me I can't use one of these small ones. Oh no, that would have been good for the corner.
I think you're good, honestly.
Yeah. No, it's not really in there. What's that chrome plated on the other side too?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know that. Well, whatever.
I think you're good for now.
Spray paint will fix that. Re-chrome it like that, it'll be alright.
So you're done with this then?
Yeah, I guess, yeah.
If you are, I'll grab it and put it up.
How do you think it would be to take that off and replace it with a two-piece?
Shouldn't be too hard if you can find one. Looks like it's just clipped in on the sides.
Look at that. You can see how bad it got oxidized, though. GM, made in USA.
There we go.
Original plastics.
Now, GM, made in China, Mexico, Korea, Vietnam, Russia, Germany. Everywhere that it's not supposed to be.
You know.
Everybody has to work somewhere, right?
Yes, pretty much, yeah. Tell you what, that's stiff.
That plastic.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it didn't crack on you when you were doing it.
What?
That. Most of them do.
What, the lens or the...
No,
actual...
this plastic piece.
Dude, what is going on with this thing?
I don't think it was in all the way. No, you had the bigger one.
It doesn't matter, I can't have it in all the way anyway. There we go. No, this is genuine American plastic. Or sorry, no, this is Canadian plastic, my bad. Actually, everything on this car would come off pretty easily.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead, it's too tight.
No, it wasn't in the right spot.
Oh.
I want to have it somewhat like it was factory. Positioning is key. No, it's broken. It doesn't matter. If you look,
I don't see
and
it.
you turn around and squint, there's no crack.
No crack. Long as you don't look at it, right? Yeah.
I'm not too upset about it. I mean, what I want to do anyways is because my chrome is number one bad on these, but my grill is. So I was just gonna replace all of it.
You can do what I'm going to do, just replace the whole front end.
If I can find it, yeah, it'd be nice.
Yeah, that's my problem.
Sure. Dude, I can't find anything for these cars. I can find tons of stuff for yours,
Expensive as fuck, though.
but
Yeah.
believe it or not, this wasn't broken when I first got it.
With all that driving you
It
did.
was my first trip to Michigan. There was a pin on the road, went underneath Gavin's semi and smacked me right there and chipped that.
Then your windshield's cracked now.
That was Gavin too.
Yeah. We'll get her tightened back up. What'd you spend on one of them? Did you buy those or did you order? You bought one of those, right?
What?
Those center caps.
Yeah, I spent like what, $50 on the
Was
one.
it $50 for one of those, guys? $50 for one of those.
This is an expensive car. Dude. You wouldn't think by looking at it. This is my most expensive car,
Yeah.
even over both of the Cadillacs.
I don't know. The cheapest on my grill is $90, but all the other ones are 200s. 235, 255, 260. And that one I found looked like it was left out in the field. Dirt, and it could be worse off than what I got.
You know, it also could be worse. I could have a Buick.
Huh?
I could have a Buick.
Yeah.
I could have a T-Type Regal or a Grand National, where you can't buy anything for that car at all.
No.
It's got the same displacement.
Huh?
It's got the same displacement.
Yeah.
231 V6.
Well, we got that 3.3 liter supercharged engine.
The 3.8.
3.8 supercharged engine. Because that'd be dope.
I
A
don't
little
wanna-
sleeper.
I don't want to do that to this car. I'd like to find a regular Regal, same year. And I'd like to swap that V6 into that. I want to find an actual Grand National. I want to find like a Grand National like Vice Grip Garage did.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to show you that video. It really did run very well.
That's crazy. It broke like that.
Yeah, there's a scuff mark right. Where'd it go? I don't know where it's at. There's a scuff mark on the bumper where the pole bounced up and then hit it.
Wow.
Probably didn't have to do that.
Better safe than sorry.
Right, I was more afraid of it blowing open.
Yeah. Going down the road and then wind catch it the wrong way and rip it off there.
Rips everything. looks wise, you couldn't even tell it was broken when you
No,
walked
I
up
didn't
to
even
it.
know until you pointed it out.
And now
So is,
you can't see it at all.
so is that it?
I think so, yeah.
Well, guys, that's how you fix your crack in your lens, your trim piece, in 16 minutes.
Nice.
Catch you guys later.
I don't know how to end this.